everybody, my name is Ma. Welcome to my kitchen. I haven't cooked for quite a while because of the holiday and different things I need to do. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple but impressive looking dish. It's called steamed scallop with rice noodle and garlic. It is quite a classic Chinese seafood dish. So let me show you how to make it.
Here are all the ingredients we need to prepare. 1 garlic, 1 spring onion, and rice noodle, and of course the scallop. I bought the scallop from a Chinese supermarket. The staff there cleaned the scallop for me. So the shells are already open and they remove the unnecessary things. Here are the scallops with shells. And here are all the other things in the shell which can be thrown away. First, soak the rice stick noodle into hot water for around an hour. The scallop meat is still attached to the shell. So separate the meat and the shell with a knife. Add some cooking wine into the scallop meat and marinate for around 1 hour. Now prepare the garlic. Peel the garlic and finely chop the garlic. Now I'm going to stir fry the garlic. Turn on the cooker. Once the frying pan is hot, add some cooking oil. Then add the garlic. Stir fry the garlic. Once some of the garlic turns golden color, we can turn off the cooker. Add a pinch of salt into the garlic sauce. Then add 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Also, finely chop the spring onions. All the preparation work is done. Lay some rice stick noodle on each shell. Put the scallop meat on top of the rice stick noodle. Then add the garlic sauce on each scallop meat. Put the scallops into a steamer and steam for around 15 minutes. Here I use an electric steamer, so it is a bit slower. If you use a normal steamer, and just put the steamer on top of the fire, that kind of steamer, it takes a bit faster, around 5 to 6 minutes. The scallops will be ready. "15 minutes later, the scallops are ready. Scatter some spring onion on top of them. At last, prepare some hot oil. Turn on the cooker. Once it is hot, add the cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, then we can turn off the cooker. Add the hot oil on each shell, then you can smell the fragrance of the spring onion. The dish is done. The advantage of this dish is that it is easy to pick up and eat, and I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like my video, please follow, comment and subscribe me. See you next time.